Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to do Halloween. Now listen to me, I am not the best at Halloween, but I do want to attempt a skull look today. So if you want to see a beginner skull look, then please stay tuned. It will be a glam skull, so we're going to do some pink in there. It's going to be really cute, but it's going to be real Halloween. So if you are interested in seeing this look, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Like this video if you are enjoying the content, and please share so other people can see how to get this beginner skull look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Alright beauties, let's get started on this look. Let's get started on this look. Let's go ahead and blend this in. Using the matte book. And I'm going to go in with this pink color here. We're going to tap that onto the eye, into the crease. I want the maximum color payoff, so I'm tapping the color on. Okay, and now that we have this here, like I said, we're not going to blend it out. We're going to blend out the details at the top with a lighter color, but for now we're going to go into this color here, and I'm going to mix it with this color here, and we're going to blend that right into the crease. Next we're going to go into this light pink color here. We're going to blend it onto the edges. Color payoff. Then I'm going to go into this P. Louise base, and we're going to cut the crease. Okay, now we're going to blend this edge here, and on the edge I want it to be this kind of crease color, so we're going to go into this brown here. Ooh, going to go into this brown here and this red, and blend that right into the edge here. Then go into this pink, tap tap tap. Then I'm going to go into this light pink, tap that, coming into. Now we're going to go ahead and go, let's go into this light pink right here. Just put that all over the lid. Cut the crease and just really get that nice gradient. I'm going to go into this red color here. I'm just going to go right over the line. I have all different colored pinks. I'm just going to add all the pinks together and put them on the lid. I'm just going to add all those. So I'm going into the darkest to lightest. Okay, I'm going to go back into this here, going into the chocolate, red, and then pink. And I'm going to go in with my Inglass 77 liner. Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Foundation in 127 Medium Tan. Fenty 330. Juvia's by Sahara Powder. Okay, so I don't have face makeup, so I'm improvising. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick kit to create the skull. So I started out making this line here. I'm just gonna go across and do the rest of the line. And then I'm gonna go into the black lipstick. gonna go into this pink here and just start to add it around. Now we need to add some definition. So I'm going to go into this brown color here, just to add a little definition. Noir from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the black color here, and I'm just going to go right around where I have everything. So here, just a line above it. So these are cracks that we added. Then I'm going to go into this dark brown just to add a little bit of shading.
Kind of went over that line just really lightly. Then I also went and repainted, added some more black to the nose where my oils had
Okay. Same on this other side. This glitter adhesive right along the white line. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween look today. I'm not the expert at Halloween, but I did want to do something and just have fun with it, and I really am here for this. I feel like this came out really cute. I'm feeling real Skeletorish, and I'm just loving that I have like the little glitter teeth and everything. I think it looks really, really good. You guys let me know how you feel about this look below. If you guys do like this look, then give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment below and let me know, did I slay this? Did I slay this? Did I? I feel like I did. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this look. I'm so here for it. It's so cute, so glam, yet so scary. My kids like jumped when they saw it, so I'm really happy with that reaction. So I hope you guys just enjoyed this fun Halloween look, something different and something that you could just do real quick for a Halloween costume if you don't have any ideas. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like, comment below, share the video so other people can see how to get these looks as well. And don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Have a wonderful day. Bye. And happy Halloween.